This is a lesson on factoring based on a multi-page PDF. Page 1. Pause. Page 2. To factor a difference of squares, look at the expression. If each term in the expression is a perfect square, proceed by taking the square of the first term, square root of the first term. That becomes the first term of each of the factors. Take the square root of the second term. That becomes the second term of each of the factors. Doing a more complicated difference of squares. Each of these terms is a square. Start by taking the square root of the first term. X squared becomes the first term of each of the factors. Take the square root of the second term. 4 becomes the square root of each of the factors, becomes the second term of each of the factors. Okay? Now we're looking at x squared plus 4 and x squared minus 4. X squared minus 4 is a difference of squares, so this term can be factored. Once again, bring this term down. Look at this term. Take the square of the first term. That becomes each of the first terms of the subsequent factor. Take the square of the second term. That becomes the second term of each of the subsequent factors. And the complete factorization is the quantity x squared plus 4 multiplied by the quantity x squared plus 2 multiplied by the quantity x squared minus 2.